You work hard every single day. You stretch every dollar. You calculate groceries, gas, rent, and bills like a math problem that never ends. And right now, your wallet feels tighter than ever. Prices are still high. Credit card balances keep growing. Rent and utilities don't slow down. And tax season? It's supposed to help you breathe. But for millions of Americans this year, it could actually become a financial trap if you're not prepared. Because one wrong move when you file your taxes could delay your refund, reduce your money, or even trigger IRS problems that follow you for months or years. That's not fear talk, that's reality. And most families don't even realize they're making these mistakes until it's already too late. This video is about you, your paycheck, your refund, your family's stability, your financial future. Whether you're counting on your refund to pay down debt, catch up on rent, fix your car, or finally build a small emergency fund, what you do before you file matters more than ever in 2026. But here's the shocking part. The IRS rules, processing systems, identity checks, refund timelines, and reporting requirements have changed again, quietly, without most Americans noticing. And that's where the danger starts. Stay with me, because in just a few minutes you're going to learn exactly what the IRS is watching, what could slow your refund, what could trigger audits or freezes, and how to protect every dollar you've earned. Quick recap, your money is on the line. Filing blindly is risky. Knowledge protects your wallet. And now, let's break down the real problem. Tax filing has become riskier than ever. The biggest mistake Americans make every tax season is assuming filing is simple. You log in, upload your forms, hit submit, and expect your refund to land in your bank account within days. That used to be the case, but today, the IRS operates in a very different environment. The IRS is now dealing with higher fraud levels, more identity theft, massive backlogs from previous years, upgraded verification systems, and tighter compliance enforcement. That means every return is being screened more carefully. Automated systems flag inconsistencies faster than humans ever could. Even small mismatches, like a wrong social security number digit, incorrect income totals, or outdated bank info, can stop your refund instantly. And the scary part? Most people never receive a clear warning until their refund is frozen or delayed. Another issue is misinformation online. Social media is full of tax hacks, refund myths, and viral claims about credits that don't apply to everyone. People follow advice that sounds good, but doesn't match IRS rules. That can trigger audits, penalties, or rejected returns. On top of that, many Americans have had job changes, side gigs, gig economy income, marketplace insurance, child credit changes, student loan adjustments, and stimulus-related reporting confusion. That creates complicated returns, even if you think yours is simple. So the real problem is this: filing your taxes without understanding the new IRS environment puts your refund, your identity, and your financial stability at risk. Mini summary: filing is no longer automatic. Errors get caught faster. Misinformation is dangerous. Your financial safety depends on accuracy. But what happens when things go wrong? That's where the real impact hits. How this affects your wallet and your life. When your tax return gets delayed, it's not just paperwork. It hits your real life. Rent doesn't wait. Utility bills don't pause. Credit card interest keeps climbing. Groceries keep getting more expensive. Many families rely on their refunds as financial relief, sometimes the only relief they get all year. If your refund gets frozen, you could wait weeks or months for resolution. Some people wait an entire year to recover their money after identity verification issues or audit reviews. That's money you earned, locked behind a system you can't control once you submit incorrectly. Delayed refunds also affect budgeting. Maybe you plan to pay off a high-interest card. Maybe you needed a car repair. Maybe your family needed school supplies, medical bills covered, or emergency savings rebuilt. When that refund doesn't arrive, stress multiplies fast. There's also emotional impact. IRS letters create anxiety. Phone wait times stretch for hours. Confusing notices make people panic. Many Americans don't know how to respond, and fear making the situation worse. And worst of all, repeated mistakes can flag your account long-term, leading to increased scrutiny in future years. Mini summary: delayed refunds hurt real bills, stress rises, financial plans collapse, mistakes follow you. But here's where things get interesting, because there's a hidden twist most people never see coming. The silent IRS filter you didn't know about, wait for it, because this part surprises almost everyone. The IRS now uses layered automated screening systems that analyze your return the moment you hit submit. These systems compare your reported income against employer filings, gig platform reports, banking data, and prior year history, instantly. If anything doesn't match perfectly, your return can be pulled for manual review before your refund even enters processing. You won't always get immediate notification. Sometimes the system simply pauses your refund silently. This means even honest mistakes trigger delays. Wrong employer EIN, missed 1099 form, slight income mismatch, old direct deposit number, typo on dependent information. These tiny details can cost you weeks. And here's the part nobody talks about. The earlier you file incorrectly, the longer your money stays stuck. Early mistakes don't get resolved faster. They get buried deeper in processing queues. That's why preparation matters more than speed. Mini summary: automated systems catch everything. Small errors cause big delays. Rushing hurts you. So how do you protect yourself? Let's break it down. Protecting your identity and your refund identity theft tax fraud continues rising every year. Criminals file fake returns using stolen information to steal refunds before you even file. When you submit later, the IRS rejects your return, and recovery takes months. Protecting yourself starts with simple steps. Secure your documents. Never share tax info through unsecured emails or text links. Use strong passwords on tax software. Avoid public Wi-Fi when filing. Monitor your IRS account if available. Another smart move is using an identity protection PIN if you've ever been a victim or high-risk filer. This extra layer blocks unauthorized submissions. Your refund is only safe if your identity stays secure. Mini summary. Fraud is rising. Protection matters. Small steps prevent big losses. Now let's talk about income reporting, where most errors happen. Reporting income correctly in the new economy today. Many Americans have multiple income sources: full-time job, freelance work, rideshare, delivery apps, online sales, content creation, cash apps, and side hustles. Every dollar matters. And the IRS often receives copies of these income reports directly from platforms. Missing even one form can trigger mismatches. Some people assume small gig income doesn't count, but it absolutely does. Others forget bank interest forms, crypto activity reports, or online sales statements. Accuracy protects you from audits and delays. Mini summary. Multiple incomes increase complexity. Report everything. Match official forms. Next, deductions and credits. Credits, deductions, and common traps credits boost refunds, but only when claimed correctly. Many people accidentally overclaim child credits, education credits, or dependent deductions. That triggers review delays. Always confirm eligibility, residency rules, age limits, and income thresholds. Don't rely on viral advice. One wrong assumption can freeze processing. Mini summary. Credits help, but mistakes cost time and money. Now, filing method matters. Choosing how you file matters. More than you think, DIY software works for simple returns. But complex income may need professional review. Cheap shortcuts sometimes create expensive problems later. Double-check bank routing numbers. Confirm names match Social Security records. Verify dependent information carefully. Mini summary. Accuracy beats speed. Correct filing prevents stress. Next, timing strategies. When you file can affect your money. Early filing protects against fraud, but rushing increases errors. Late filing risks penalties. Balance matters. Wait until all forms arrive. Review carefully. Don't let impatience cost you weeks of delays. Mini summary. Smart timing saves headaches. Now, what if something goes wrong? What to do if your return gets delayed? Stay calm. Track your return. Respond quickly to IRS notices. Keep copies of everything. Avoid scams promising fast fixes. Most issues resolve, but patience and accuracy matter. Mini summary. Follow official channels. Don't panic. Now, the big picture. Why this matters for your financial future. Your tax behavior shapes your financial credibility. Clean records protect future refunds, loans, benefits, and stability. Smart filing is part of financial survival today. Mini summary. Protect today to secure tomorrow. And now, the powerful ending. Your paycheck represents your time, your effort, your sacrifice, and your family's future. Every dollar matters more than ever in this economy. Filing your taxes correctly isn't just paperwork. It's financial protection. Don't rush. Don't guess. Don't trust viral shortcuts. Protect your refund. Protect your identity. Protect your peace of mind. If this video helped you understand how to protect your wallet this tax season, make sure you stay connected. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay informed, because your financial future deserves smart decisions, not surprises. Your money matters, your family matters, and staying informed could save you thousands.